In the following video, I will navigate through Decisions and go over some of the basic things you will see when first logging in. So to start off, Decisions is a browser-based application with an end-user portal and a designer studio. This platform allows business users and analysts to quickly design, build, and maintain business processes using a graphical no-code design environment. So I am starting in the user portal environment, and you know this because at the top of your screen you should see a blue banner. The portal is where end users go to get work done, such as working assigned tasks, viewing dashboards with KPIs, or filling out a form. So you can switch between the portal and the studio environments by selecting Studio at the bottom. As you switch over to the Designer Studio, the blue banner has switched to a bright orange to indicate that you are now in the Designer Studio, and you can now create different applications. So if we focus towards the top left of the studio, there's a search bar up here that allows you to quickly search for any folder or entity by its name. As you search, you are able to take action on your results right there in the search bar, or you can simply open the folder. Now if we head to the right side of our banner, we have several different controls that we can see. So next to the current user, there's an account settings dropdown where we have several options such as switching environments, modifying settings and account information, checking which version of Decisions is installed, or logging out of your account. To the right of that is the notification bell, which displays any notifications for the current user, such as a new task assigned. Right below that, there's a refresh button that reloads all of the data in the portal page that's currently open. If we navigate over to the left, we have several default folders, including My Documents, All Assignments, Inbox, Myapps, and System. So starting at the top, the My Documents folder is where documents can be stored, and most importantly, this is an easy place to go to change your password. The All Assignments folder provides a visual of the assignments or tasks that you are assigned. And then Inbox folder is your task queue and provides a list of those assignments. The Myapps folder is where designer folders are created and stored with flows, forms, rules, and reports. This folder also can be viewed several ways and includes the App Store with several previously created applications. And then the last default folder is the Systems folder. Here you'll see that you can add or manage accounts and change settings to your likings. If we go back to our folder tree, we can create a new designer folder by just clicking on the arrow of the Myapps folder and selecting Add Designer Folder. Designer folders are a specific type of folder where applications such as flows, rules, forms, and reports can be created within them. These designer folders can be added at root or as a subfolder. This just means do we want it to stand alone as a root folder or do we want it to be a subfolder within our Myapps folder. You can see the difference in this folder setting by looking at the Decisions Tour folder, which was added at root, and then the Decisions Training folder, which was previously added as a subfolder of the Myapps folder. One last tip and trick that is new in version 5.0 is the ability to pin folders to the top of the menu. As more and more folders are added to the folder tree, this can be very convenient. To pin a folder and also change the look and feel, you can select the star and choose who can see this pinned folder. This menu even allows you to change the font color and add customizable icons. So that wraps up the quick tour of the Decisions end-user portal and Designer Studio, and hopefully you feel a little more comfortable navigating around Decisions. If you have any questions, please feel free to email support@decisions.com.